Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Murphy. Today is our first day of our reading virtual learning. This is part 2 of our reading. The first part will always be comprehension with a book, and then the second part will be phonics. So we're going to get started with our ABC letter cards. And if you see my cat, just ignore him. He can't be tamed. X, box, X. A, apple, A. T, top, T. J, jam, J. K, kite, K. U, up, N, nest, N. V, van, V. W, wagon, W. Y, yo-yo, yeah. I, itch, I. B, boy, B. E, edge, E. G, goat, G. M, man, M. F, fish, R, rat, Good job. Q, always followed by U, queen, Qu. P, pig, P. H, hat, H. S, snake, S. L, lamp, L. D, dog, D. O, ox, Ah. C, cat, K. SH, shell, Sh. WH, well, W. CH, chair, Ch. PH, photo, F, or phoenix. TH, thumb, Th. CK, sock, K. Very good, boys and girls. Kiss your brain. All right, now we're going to move on to our review sight word. This is the word said. Good job. Said. I said something. Said. Very good. Our new sight word for the week is the word one. Can you say one? Good. This is like the number 1. And we've learned this word before because it was on our math poster for the number 1. But I'm going to spell it for you. And if you have a piece of paper and a pencil, you can go ahead and practice writing it now too. 1. O-N-E. 1. O-N-E. 1. The first number is the number 1. All right, I'm going to write it one more time. You write it one more time if you have a paper and pencil. 1. O-N-E. 1. Okay, I hope you looked at it closely. I'm going to take a letter away and you yell out which letter is missing. What letter did I take away? Good job. I took away the letter E. What letter's missing now? Awesome, you're right, the letter N. O-N-E. Let's make it tricky this time. What letters are missing? O-N. Good job, boys and girls. Kiss your brains. Very good. You can put your paper and pencil down. Now we're going to move into Heggerty. Sometimes we will do Heggerty, sometimes we'll do OG, But if you ever want extra OG practice, parents at home, families at home, I will post an OG lesson every day on our website. Okay, boys and girls, get ready. Okay, I'm going to say the part of a rhyme, and you are going to make words that rhyme with it. So if I say ache, you could say shake. What else could rhyme with shake? Good, rake. What else could rhyme with rake? Good, cake. One more. What else could rhyme with cake? Awesome job. Flake. Okay, which word begins like this one? If I say the word over, which one begins like over? Ozone or ever? You're right. Ozone begins like over. Okay, let's try another one. Which word begins like target? Siren or total? Target and siren or target and total? You're right. Target and total both begin with T. Which word begins like limit? Lesson or hidden? Good job. Limit and lesson both begin with L. Let's try one more. Which word begins like anchor? Donut or apron? Good. Anchor and apron both begin with A. Okay, I'm going to say parts of a word, and you're going to blend it together to read the whole word, okay? If I say was, was. Good job. Coal, coal. Mean, mean. Lat, lat. Zag, zag. Tube, tube. Night, night. Ape, cape. Yes, yes. Jeep, jeep. Very good, boys and girls. All right, for our last part of Heggerty, we're going to try to identify the middle sound. Remember, when we put our arm out and our words have a beginning, a middle, and an end sound, I want you to listen closely to that middle sound, which is usually the most tricky. Less. Good job. Fog. Awesome. Time. Good job. Cub. Good job. Same. Awesome. Rag. Good job. Pick. Good job, boys and girls. Kiss your brain. So for the last part of our lesson, you're going to need your crowns and a piece of paper, okay? I'll give you a minute to go find those materials before we finish up our lesson. Okay, I have my piece of paper and I'm going to write on a board to help my paper look nice, and I have my box of crowns. Do you have all your materials? Awesome. So what we're going to do is practice a new blend. We've been working hard on our letters, and most of us know all of our letters and our sounds. Then we moved on to our digraphs. Remember our two letters put together that make a sound like TH, thumb, CH, ch, SH, sh, WH, w, PH, and CK, k. So we're going to move on to our blends. So our first blend is BL. Can you say BL? Good. When we put those two sounds together, we say bl. Can you say bl? Awesome. So we're going to write in the middle of our paper a B and an L, just like that. And then I'm going to draw a circle around it so I know that that's the blend I'm working on, BL, bl. And we're going together brainstorm some ideas of words that begin with bl. If I look at my chart up here, I know it's a little hard for you to see, but BL, bl, is like blender. Can you say blender? Like you put your food in the blender and it chops it all up. So we're going to do our best to draw a blender. So I'm going to give you a couple minutes to draw your blender, and you can look back at mine if you need some ideas. And remember, we don't have to be perfect at drawing, we just have to try our best. Ooh, like blender. Alright, here's my blender. I just tried my best. A blender has a little handle so that you can carry it and some buttons to turn it on. Good job with your blender. Let's think of another word that begins like bull. Ooh, I heard some good ideas. I liked the idea of the word black. Can you say black? Good. The word black begins with BL, bull. So I'm going to draw just a little, kind of like a little bit of black on my paper and try to write that word black. I hear bull, BL, bull, ah. That's the letter A, black. Ooh, I heard a digraph. CK, BLACK, black. Good job. Let's think of another word that begins with bull. Boys and girls, you're so smart. The word blue has the BL blend, bull. So I'm going to draw, I think I'll draw a blueberry. And then I'm going to try to write the word blueberry. It starts with blue, B-L, U-E. Blue was a sight word a while back, so we should know how to spell it. B-L-U-E. Blue, berry, air. E, there's a tricky Y at the end. Blueberry. Very good, boys and girls. All right, we are going to finish there. Well, I'm going to finish there. I would like for you to think of two more words that have the blend, B-L, and draw them on your paper, and then have Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, TT, or a family member at home take a picture of your paper and send it to me on Class Dojo or Parent Square. Thank you so much for joining me on this